Homemade chicken nuggets. Cut the bread first. Nice slices. Put it in a blender. Put the chicken in the breadcrumbs. Add the spices you like. Mix everything up. And blend one more time. It should look like this. Use oil. Spread the mixture with your hands. Cut as shown here. Almost done. An egg, salt, pepper, and milk. Dip, dip, dip. Yum! What's next? Fry the chicken nuggets, of course. Wait until the meat turns a gold color. Ta-da! Can't wait to try this recipe.